Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I'll guide you through a simple way to change the position of the address bar in Google Chrome on your mobile device. Whether you prefer it at the top or bottom, I'll show you how to adjust it quickly and easily. First, open the Google Chrome app on your mobile phone. Next, tap on the three vertical dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, find the option labeled Address Bar. Finally, tap on it and choose whether you want the address bar to appear at the top or the bottom, depending on your preference. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to customize your browsing experience by moving the address bar in Google Chrome Mobile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.